Guys, today we are looking at how you can use cowrie shell to buy anything you want. I mean, anything you want from the spiritual realm. That's what we're going to look at today, okay? How you can use cowrie shell to buy anything you want in the spiritual realm. Remember the olden days, right? The olden days, the means of exchange, the recognized money there was cowrie. So till date, okay, the recognized money to date in the spiritual realm is cowrie. Yes, it's cowrie. So I'm going to teach you how you can use cowrie to buy anything you want from the spiritual realm. Before then, I would like to show you something. Have you ever seen a live cowrie before? So remember, you must have seen cowrie shell, right? You have seen cowrie shell, but have you seen a live cowrie before? I'm going to teach you today how you can use cowrie shell to buy things from the spiritual realm. But first, let me show you a live cowrie.
I was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video. Guys, today we'll be looking at how you can use cowrie shell to buy anything you want from the spiritual realm. Yes, anything you want from the spiritual realm. Okay, you know, in the olden days we use cowries as medium of exchange before the modern money, right? Till date, the money accepted, the recognized money in the spiritual realm is still cowrie. Yes, cowrie is the recognized money in the spiritual realm. Okay, I'm going to teach you today how you can use this cowrie to buy anything you want from the spiritual realm. Yes, if you find this video helpful so far, kindly give us like this video, and then subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you can be part of this big family. If you're interested in joining our WhatsApp group, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely add you or send you the link. Okay. All right. Let's go there. Now, how do you use cowrie to attract money? Now, the first thing you are going to do is that you get, like, depending on the type of work or the type of favor, the type of thing you are going to buy will determine the amount of cowries, the number of cowries you are going to need. But first, anytime you buy any cowrie, you don't know if that cowrie must have been used for a particular purpose, and maybe it has been used for something before. You know, somebody saw it on the street, pick them and go and sell it, so you don't know. So the best thing to do, once you get cowrie, buy cowries, take those cowries, put salt inside something like bucket. Okay, add enough salt inside something like bucket or anything, then add the cowrie into the salty water. Keep it in an open place. Okay, if there's no open place for you to keep it, you can keep it in your room, but prefer it in an open place. Lay there for them for 3 days or 7 days. Me, I prefer going for 7 days. Okay, so once you have purified those cowries, once you've purified those cowries, what you need to know is that numbers play a vital role in spiritual realm. Yes, in spirituality, numbers play vital roles. Okay, numbers means a lot. Yes, so if you guys are interested in learning about numbers and spirituality, let me know in the comment section. Okay, now sometimes they'll say go and do this, use so number, use so this, use so number, use so amount. You understand? So number play a lot of it has a lot of importance. Okay, all you have to know is that if you are seeking for grace, number 5 represent grace, so you go to use 5 calories. Okay, if something is happening to you that you want them to help you solve, you want them to solve an issue for you, so you need several calories. And if it is something that has to do with witches, then you need 14 calories. You understand? Okay, so any other thing you request, you can use the number of calories that touches your heart. After you have after you have purified the calories, after you have choose the number of calories you want based on what you want to do, then the next thing you are going to do is simple. Take those calories, pray on it, hold them in your both hands, okay? And when you are praying on it, make sure you are barefooted, you are not wearing shoes. Pray on the calories, everything, all the words you speak, they are going into that calorie from today on. From today on, like I seen the one on the picture now, is 6. You are saying there. Today on, I want to be financially abundant. I want to be bastardly rich. I want money to always locate me anywhere I found myself. Let everything work on my favor. Henceforth, I will walk like a rat and eat like elephant. Henceforth, I will walk like a rat and eat like elephant. Henceforth, I will walk like a rat and eat like elephant. So this is the money I'm paid to get those things I want from the spiritual realm. So I'm giving this money to get what I just requested from the spiritual realm, and so shall it be. So when you are done making these prayers, then you go to any junction, because spirit and the living meet in a junction. So if you must meet with any spirit, or you must meet with you must meet with the universe. Let me say, I don't know how I'm going to put it, but go to a junction. Okay, that's where it will be made. So go to a junction, and those calories will be taken at night. So make sure you put them at night before 9 o'clock. Okay, anything from 12, 11, those calories will be picked. They will get it, then they will give you what you want. So this can make you bastardly rich. I'm telling you. So it's something that work very well. It can make you bastardly rich. So I want you guys to do this. Come back and testify in the comment section. And don't forget to appreciate me when you have made the big hits.